Hello everybody, so now you can see that I've got the Alexa's Echo input portable version. So we're just gonna unbox it today. So let's get started. So I had already removed the top plastic covering. So as you can see, turn up the volume. Alexa, set volume to 10. Okay, first let's have a look what all is inside the box. Oh, oops. Okay, Echo input portable edition. We have a full guide regarding it. Okay. Fine. Amazon Echo input portable edition. Things to try. Voice control your music, ask for news, information and more. Stay connected, ask for help. Oh, so we have more. Get answers to your question. Order from Amazon.in. Voice control your smart home. Alexa has many more skills. We'll try it later. Anything else? No. Okay, we have partition. So this is the travel adapter for Amazon's Alexa charger, and then we have the type A cable charger, micro type A. The wires are quite long. We will check out everything later. Now let's come to Alexa. Here is Alexa. Okay, first I need to power it on. This is the power button over here. It has a low battery. It has a too low battery. Okay, I had set it to charging because it was too low. So now let me just open my app of Amazon Alexa. We'll just get to the devices section to add a new device. We'll go to all devices, no, to the add symbol, and then to the add symbol, add device. We can select the Amazon Echo. It's the Echo input portable smart speaker. Yes. Okay. Fine, I'll just allow the location settings for it. Yeah, location is on. Now it can ask on the screen itself. Oh yes. Okay, turn on Bluetooth. Okay, Bluetooth is on. It is an orange light only. Wait.
Wi-Fi isn't set up. For help, go to your Alexa app.
Okay, so it is asking us to
Now
hold
in
it for
setup
a
mode.
minute.
Follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Now it's in setup mode. We can continue. Okay, now we should open Wi-Fi settings and connect to the Amazons.
You've connected. Now go back to the Alexa app.
Okay. I came back. Right in the screen. I am at the screen. Yes, okay. No problem. Okay, so I'll just connect my Wi-Fi. I like the loading symbol of the Wi-Fi. Preparing your echo input. Please wait while we connect your echo input to the internet. This may take a few minutes.
Your device is ready.
Oh, that's great. Continue. Yep. So the setup is complete. You're ready to start talking to Alexa. To learn more about what you can say to Alexa, visit things to try from settings. So done. So let's just ask Alexa to sing once. Alexa, can you sing? Okay, I actually thought that it'll sing the Alexa's introduction song. Alexa, Alexa, can you sing?
You got something that I love, the unity that I was to you, so much more. Oh, 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 oh. I live on the cloud and I'm looking at you, and I see where the flag goes. Oh, 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 oh. The song comes from deep within the lighthouse, blue, orange, and green. A lighthouse, a lighthouse.
Yeah, this was the song I was expecting from Alexa, as I like this song a lot. As the generations and the products upgraded, Amazon is inputting many different songs into the Alexa. That is very nice. As previous I think Echo Dot Generation 3 that I have sings a different song, so I like this song more. Fine, that's all for the video, guys. I'll get back with another video that has the skills of Alexa and few funny things to ask Alexa. Bye now. This is Shashank signing off.